So Microsoft just launched something called the Trusted Tech Alliance, and it's basically big tech saying, you can trust us. My ass. Let's get into this. This new alliance was announced at Munich Security Conference. It included 15 major tech companies like Microsoft, Google Cloud, Amazon Web Services, Ericsson, Nokia, SAP, and several AI companies. So what is it? It's a group of big tech companies agreeing to follow the same basic rules when it comes to things like cloud services, software, semiconductors, and global internet infrastructure. They outlined 5 major promises: to be transparent on how they run, build technology securely, protect their supply chains, of course, support open and stable digital systems, and respect the data protection laws. And that's it. There are no new enforcement powers, no new regulations. It's just a volunteer commitment between companies. So why now? Because governments around the world are becoming more skeptical about large tech providers. Countries are talking about digital sovereignty, data control, and reducing dependence on foreign tech companies. This alliance is meant to show that major tech firms can follow shared security and governance standards without governments needing to break the ecosystem apart. In simple terms, big tech formed a trusted club to show that they could self-regulate before the government and regulators do it for them. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and take care, guys.